Greetings from Trainwizard. I'm Michael, your host. If you follow my photography but are new to my channel, you may know me by my professional alter ego, the Photo Wizard. Most of you on YouTube, as well as those who know me in person, know me as Trainwizard. Maybe even my veteran followers remember me as Bus Wizard, providing hundreds of hours of public transit videos on YouTube for over 13 years. Welcome to Trainwizard 101. Trainwizard 101 is a narrated behind-the-scenes tour of my greatest hobby of all time, taking photos and videos of public transit and railroads, collectively known among us mutual hobbyists as railfanning. To my viewers who are new to this hobby, yes, railfan is a verb, and it will be used as such in this series. This is a little more than a vlog, but shorter than an average documentary. A vloggermentary, if you will. I'll also feature more art subjects than just transportation, nature, architecture, even human beings, and much more. Trainwizard 101 is intended to educate, enlighten, and entertain. You'll also get to learn and appreciate some photography tricks such as using manual focus and a thin depth of field for moving subjects, mind-bending ultra-wide angles, shooting into the sun, as well as much more. If you wish to support my channel, get your questions answered in a video, and receive exclusive merch, consider joining as my patron on Patreon, link in the description.